2018 Dodge Charger V6, high output. What we got done on it now, you guys can see, really nice. Factory converter, factory flex pipe. If you guys ever wonder what that is a flex pipe. Then we took the Y out and put an X pipe in its place and ran 2 1/4 into 2 big boys exhaust. Part numbers right here. They call them big boys exhaust 4. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Right there. That's what they look like. We showed you guys what they look like on the inside. There and there. Then we did 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side. Eliminated the rear resonators. There and there. And installed 2 black tips that she brought. Here's the part number on them. We'll see if we'll get you guys a link in the description for them. They're 4.5 inch. Came out really nice, really clean. Out the back. There. In there. And to make these fit on these Chargers, the 2018 and up, you gotta change the rear diffuser or valence into one that looks like for the RTs and the scat packs and stuff. And she went with the carbon fiber one, which is really nice, really clean, as you guys can see there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And here's the old exhaust that was on it. There's the 2 resonators. There's where it wires into a single. There's the muffler. And there's where it wires back into the cats. So if the cats were here, wires into there. Muffler, wires back out there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it and hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you watch our other videos and always hit that subscribe. All right, we're going to get her reaction, guys. Go ahead. What do you think? You like it? She's done a lot of research and watched a lot of videos, so it's perfect. Wow. That sounds so nice. Here's sound decibels. 109. Yeah? That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Got some crazy graphics on the side. Check it out, guys. That's clean. Really nice stance on this car. Yes, I love it. Very nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hope she give us a nice drive off on it. Oh yeah, it sounds really nice. Beautiful. You can still hear it. That sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.